What if the fastest way to retire early isn't by doing more, but by doing less, just more consistently than everyone else, not chasing trends, not jumping between strategies, just one quiet system, repeated over years, that slowly replaces your need to work with your money working for you. Picture planting a tree. The first few years, it barely grows. Nothing about it feels life-changing, but underground, the roots are spreading. Then one year, it suddenly starts growing faster than you expected. What changed? Not the effort, just time doing its job. That's how the only investing strategy you really need works. It looks simple, almost too simple, and that's why most people ignore it. We're taught to chase big wins, the perfect stock, the quick opportunity. But early retirement is rarely built that way. It's built on consistency applied in the right place long enough to compound. Here's the strategy at its core. Buy a broad market index fund. Add money to it regularly. Never sell out of fear. Reinvest everything. That's it. No complicated systems, no constant monitoring, just owning a piece of the market and letting time do the heavy lifting. The real engine behind this is compounding. Every dollar you invest becomes a worker. At first, the progress feels slow, almost invisible, but over time, your money starts earning on itself. Eventually, your investments grow faster than what you're putting in. That's the shift most people never reach, because they quit too early or panic when the market dips. So the strategy isn't just what you invest in, it's how you behave. You stay consistent, you keep adding, you ignore the noise, and you give it time. Let's make it real. If you invest $500 a month into a broad index fund averaging around 7 to 8% over the long term, it won't feel like much at first, but over the years, it accelerates, and eventually, most of your wealth comes not from what you invested, but from what your money earned. That's when work starts becoming optional. Many people overcomplicate this. They think they need multiple investments, constant activity, or perfect timing. But this strategy removes all of that. One fund, automatic contributions, patience. It's not about doing more, it's about doing less, better, and longer. Because when you invest in a broad index fund, you're not betting on one company, you're owning hundreds. You're capturing the growth of entire markets instead of trying to predict winners. And the most important factor isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Because compounding grows slowly at first, then rapidly. Early retirement simply means your investments can cover your living costs. A common idea is the 4% rule, where your portfolio generates enough each year to support you. The exact number depends on your lifestyle, but the path stays the same. Consistent investing, long-term thinking. You don't need a huge starting amount. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start and keep going. Because once your portfolio reaches a certain size, it begins doing most of the work for you. And one day, you'll notice something different. Your money is earning more than you're saving. That's when the strategy finally reveals its power. Not through a big moment, but through years of quiet consistency that turned into freedom.